No, your voice is cracking.
नहीं सांचा तेरे उसमें प्रॉब्लम है. We can hear him properly.
Oh, fuck that.
Right.
Okay, so let's start.
अच्छा सुनाई दे रही ना आवाज?
हाँ चला लेंगे अभी.
अच्छा पहले इसका ऑर्डर क्या है?
So welcome guys to the 13th episode. क्या बोला? हेलो
करना स्टार्ट करना.
Guys, we want Melon back.
So welcome guys to the 13th episode of this first season of online cricket quiz. The participants are Anshu, Ammar, Ayyub and Quresh. The first round is we'll show you two photos and you have to guess the two photos. 5 points for guessing the each photo and getting the connecting question right. Any doubts?
No clear.
Clear.
Okay, so can we get the first question?
Who's the first person?
It's
What's the order?
Ammar.
Ammar?
Okay, just name the person.
Was I first or was I last?
Ammar was last, I believe.
Quresh is
I think
last.
it was Ayyub, Anshu,
Ayyub is the first.
and
Ayyub
Quresh.
is the first for first round.
Okay, because he was late. No issues. Go ahead.
Okay, so first question is for you.
Yeah.
Let's go. Can we have the first photo?
Can I answer?
Yeah, answer.
Yeah, Michael Clark.
Okay, that's right. Second photo.
Duplessis.
Yes, that's correct. Let's go to the connecting question. So in terms of test debut, your options are first, have they both scored a century, have they both scored a duck, or have they both scored less than 50?
C. Both scored less than 50.
No, unfortunately, that's the wrong answer. Both scored a century.
Okay.
Okay. Second is Anshu.
Okay.
Okay. Can we have the first photo?
Yunus Khan.
Yes, yes, Yunus Khan, that's right. Second picture.
Sehwag.
Sehwag, okay. Can we go to the connecting question? Okay, in terms of test matches, have both taken the most catches as a substitute in a single test match? Have both scored 300 plus in the second innings? Both have effected maximum runouts in an innings of a test match. Anshu.
C.
C. Both have affected the maximum. No, that's the wrong answer. The answer is A. Both have taken the most catches as a substitute in a single match. Okay. Next is Ayyub.
I'm done.
Next is Ammar.
Yes.
Okay, Ammar, can we have the first photo?
Umar Akmal.
Umar Akmal is right. Can we have the second photo?
Dilshan.
Dilshan, yes, that's right. Let's go to the connecting question. Okay, in terms of T20s, both have scored the maximum hundreds for their country. Both have been penalized by boards for disciplinary action, or both have scored the most ducks. Your time starts now.
Penalized by the boards?
No, that's the wrong answer. Both have scored the most ducks. Okay, so Okay, so can we go to the next photo?
कुरैश का नाम तो ले
Kuresh, this question is for you.
Andrew Strauss.
Andrew Strauss, yes, that's right. Second, sir.
Alistair Cook.
Alistair Cook, yes, that's right. Can we go to the question? In terms of test debut, both scored a duck, both scored a century, or both scored less than 50?
Both scored duck. Answer A.
Answer A, sorry, that's the wrong answer. Both scored a century.
Okay.
Okay, so everybody is pretty much equal. Momo, can we have the scores for the first round?
After the first round, now I'll be saying the cumulative scores: 210,
Okay.
135, 95, and -10 for Avengers.
Okay.
I mean,
Nice. Okay, so we'll go to the second round. In this round, you all will get one topic select, and we'll ask you a question based that. No buzzer. You all have already had the randomizer. Okay, so the first question is for Anshu, I suppose.
yes, answer.
Anshu.
Okay,
Anshu, pick your
Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli. Okay, can we go to the question? Okay, Virat Kohli is the only player to score 600 plus runs in all three formats in a calendar year. In which year did he achieve this feat? The time starts now.
2019. 18. Sorry, 2018.
Sorry, wrong answer. First of all, we'll take the first answer that comes, and the answer is anyways 2016. Okay. Who's next, Momo?
I think so. It's me.
The next one is Ayub.
Yeah, that's me.
Ayub. Okay, Ayub, select
Nicknames.
topic.
please. Nickname.
Nickname. Okay. Okay. Which cricketer is nicknamed Nawab of Najafgarh?
Nawab of Najaf.
Najafgarh. Time starts now. Already started.
Pass.
3,
No.
2,
Can
1.
I take that?
You can't take that, and it's Virender Sehwag.
Ah, okay.
Okay, who's third?
Quresh.
Quresh. Quresh, select a topic. Quresh,
Hello?
Champions Trophy.
Champions Trophy. So the question is, who won the ICC Champions Trophy in the year 2000? Time starts now.
India.
No, it's the wrong answer. It's New Zealand. They beat India though. Okay, so last question for Ammar. Ammar,
Delivery.
delivery. Okay, what is a ball that does not bounce and passes the batsman at or above waist high called?
Beamer.
Beamer. That's the right answer. Easy question. Will get Ammar bhai go.
I
Okay, so that's
could have answered this no ball also, right? If I'm just asking admin.
No.
It's written no. According to
What did
QJ,
you?
no.
It's a no ball. No.
No,
No ball,
Beamer.
but anything can be a no ball. Front foot no ball. Anything can be a no.
सांचा तू भी घानी है, छोड़ दे.
Okay. So Momo, can we get the scores?
Right now the scores are only Ammar has increased his points. So Anshu at 210, Ammar 145, Quresh 95, Ayub -10.
Okay. So the third round is the most important round of this quiz. You can cover a lot of points here. There are total 10 questions. It's a rapid fire round and it's a buzzer round. So for every right answer, you get a 10, and for every wrong answer, you get a -5. And after the wrong answer, the question is not passed on to the next participant. Cool?
So the only thing is that Sancha, if I've been watching the last few episodes. Once we call a name, then you will tell who to answer, right?
Yes, I will tell you to go ahead, and then you answer.
Okay.
Okay.
I have to call
So
my
can we
name.
have the first question? You have to call your name. Yes.
Okay.
Then Momo will say yes, it's your name, and then you can answer.
Okay.
Okay. So can we have the first question, please? Who was the first Indian to score an IPL century? Timer.
Anshu.
Anshu, go ahead, please.
Yes.
Pandey.
Manish Pandey. Yes, that's the right answer. Second question, please. Which batsman has the record of playing the most number of T20 internationals without scoring a duck? Timer.
The time is up. 10 seconds का timer है Hussain.
Okay. Okay.
Kuresh.
Time is up, Kuresh.
Okay.
Time अभी भी दिख रहा है
Okay. So the answer is David.
वो टाइमर क्वेश्चन आंसर करने का जब बजर के बाद का टाइमर है वो.
Okay, ठीक है.
Okay.
ठीक. Okay. So the third question, please. Who's the only Indian to score a century on ODI debut? Okay, so the time is up. It is KL Rahul versus Zimbabwe in 2016. Okay, so question number 4. Who was the man of the match in the ODI World Cup final in 2015?
Anshu.
Anshu? Momo?
Anshu, go ahead. Anshu, go ahead. Please go ahead, Anshu.
Faulkner.
James Faulkner. Yes, it's the right answer. Well done, Anshu. Okay, so the fifth question. Who is the only player to have played 20 plus ODI World Cup matches and won all of them?
Amar.
Yes.
Ponting.
No, Ponting is the wrong answer. It is Matthew Hayden. Played 22 matches in 2003 and 2007, Australia's unbeaten campaigns. Okay, so the sixth question. In 2010, Mohammad Asif, Mohammad Amir, and Salman Butt were banned for spot fixing.
Ammar.
Who?
Ayub.
Kuresh.
Amar.
Momo. Ammar.
Salman Butt.
Salman Butt is the right answer. Well done. Question number 7, please. Who's the only player who bats right-handed but bowls left arm and
Anshu.
has played 300 plus?
Anshu.
Ganguly.
Anshu, go ahead.
No, sorry.
No, Ganguly is the wrong answer. It is Inzamam ul Haq.
Right.
Inzamam.
Inzamam, yes. Inzamam is the right answer.
Right.
Eighth question, please. During the 2007 ODI
Ammar.
World Cup in the West
Ammar.
Indies.
Ammar.
Okay, Ammar.
Duncan Fletcher. Sorry, Bob
No,
Woolmer. Bob
Duncan.
Woolmer.
Yeah, I can't give that to you. It is Bob Woolmer. Okay, question number 9. In 2013, which cricketer was fined for using obscene language and making inappropriate physical contact with Marlon Samuels during a BBL match? Big Bash.
Kuresh.
Anshu.
Kuresh. Kuresh.
Shane Warne.
No. Sorry. 2 minutes.
Shane Warne is the right answer.
2 minutes with anti-time. 2 minutes with
Okay, so the last question for this round. Who did England beat in the semi-final of the 2019 ODI World Cup?
Ammar.
Okay, Ammar, go ahead.
Australia.
Family fries is spicy, remaining all are normal fries.
Australia.
Yes, Australia is the right answer.
बीच में कौन बोल रहा है भाई? Family fries.
Fries मांग रहा है कोई यार.
Yeah.
Kuresh
And one
है,
family
Kuresh.
fries is also spicy. One
Kuresh.
family fries is also spicy. Yes.
तेरा उस पे कर दे, म्यूट पे कर दे.
Okay,
Bob
so
Woolmer
that's
सही
the
था
end
भाई.
of the
Bob Woolmer दे दो.
round 3.
But guys, the points currently are Dabang Anshu is leading at 225, Ammar at 155, Quresh 105,
Nice.
Ayub minus 10. So Quresh needs to get all the answers right in the next round to go through.
Yeah, to qualify, for his team to qualify.
Yes.
Suresh is busy eating fries. Okay, so can we start the fourth round? The fourth round is called. ये एक मिनट में एचएस की शक्ल क्यों आ रही है?
भाई वो एडमिन है.
अभी उससे तेरे को उसमें भी प्रॉब्लम है.
अच्छा सांचा तेरी शक्ल देखा तो उसकी देख में बंदे ने बैर कट करवाया कम से कम.
अच्छा मौका भाई वो एडमिन है वन ऑफ द एडमिन.
नहीं एडमिन मैं लिखा ना अभी क्या है वन ऑफ द एडमिन कहाँ से हैं? सारे बाकी सारे कोऑर्डिनेटर है कोऑर्डिनेटर.
Okay, भाई लोग, let's get back.
Okay,
Okay, the fourth round is called a bulldozer. Okay, you all will get 4 clues to guess the correct answer. If you guess the correct answer in the first clue, you get 20 points. Second clue, 15 points. Third clue, 10 points. And fourth clue, 5 points. For every clue wrong answer, you get -5. And this question is passed on to the next player if he knows the right answer. Correct? This is also a buzzer round, yeah? Any question, guys?
This gets passed on, right? Basically, yeah.
It gets passed on, yes.
Clear.
Okay, so we can start.
हुसैन बताओ वो कि पास ऑन तब होएगा जब तू इनकरेक्ट बोलेगा उसके बाद पास ऑन होएगा. सही है?
हाँ, इनकरेक्ट होगा तो ही पास ऑन होगा ना. राइट आंसर होगा तो खत्म ना क्वेश्चन.
नहीं उसको बजर बोलना पड़ेगा ना.
हाँ, बजर बोलना पड़ेगा. You have to call the buzzer, yeah. You just can't call the answer. Okay, so can we go to the first question? The first clue is I made my test debut against England in 1971 at Edgbaston. Okay, second clue, guys. I am an Oxford graduate.
Come on.
Okay, third clue. I took the match-winning last wicket in the 1992 ODI World Cup final.
Quresh.
Ammar.
Quresh, go ahead, please.
Momo.
Imran Khan.
Quresh, go ahead.
Imran Khan.
Imran Khan is the right answer. Is the right answer. Okay, can we go to the second question? Second question, first clue is I have scored 4 test centuries, all against West Indies. Okay, second clue, please. I am the fastest to reach 300 test wickets in 54 test matches.
Ammar.
Ammar, go ahead.
Ashwin.
Yes, is the right answer. Ravichandra Ashwin is the right answer. Can we go to the next question? Okay, I was named the Indian cricketer of the 20th century by Wisden. Okay, second clue. I made my test debut against Pakistan at Faisalabad in 1978. Okay.
Ammar?
Third
Ammar?
third clue.
Ammar?
Okay. Ammar.
Gavaskar?
No, wrong answer. It's Kapil.
No,
Correct.
There was one more clue. You should have. Hold on.
There are 4 clues.
Okay,
Anshu, Kapil Dev.
my bad.
मैंने बोला था सांचा गानी निकलेगा, मैंने बोला था.
रिकॉर्डिंग भेजो प्लीज.
इधर भी प्रेस. मेरा डिनर कैंसल्ड है, आई थिंक.
भाई री-क्वेश्चन कर दो अभी तो.
क्या कहानी है सांचा?
Do we have another question?
Sancha, is this answer given to Anshu or not?
नहीं
सर बोल क्या कैसे दे सकते हैं?
नहीं उसने जवाब दे दिया, उसने आंसर दे दिया. लेट्स मोमो पॉइंट्स क्या है अभी तक के?
अबे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है उससे.
हाँ, then it doesn't matter. अगर पॉइंट से कुछ फर्क
दे दो.
Final points are Dabang at 225, NB Sanitizers at 165, Mahir 115, Avengers -10.
So it doesn't matter. Last question is mostly a dead rubber.
Yes.
चलो, well done guys.
Thank you.
सांचा का वीडियो भेजना प्लीज यार.
Well played, Sancha.